Welcome, dear friends. How are you? With an exponential exposure or spread of COVID-19, that is novel coronavirus, the world has come to a standstill condition. But there are so many teachers coming together in this time so that your education remains uninterrupted or unaffected. I would like to advise you to wear mask, wash your hands regularly, keep safe distancing while you are gossiping to others, maintain a good health, and listen to the state government or the central government or the WHO time to time. Now let us start our lesson. We shall read our Run Away Kite. I would like to request you to open your book at page number 37. Our Run Away Kite, lesson 5, our Run Away Kite. It is a good story, a tremendous good story, and it is written by Lucy Maud Montgomery. Before we start our lesson, we should know something about the writer or the author. Lucy Maud Montgomery was born on 30th of November in 1874 in Clifton, presently New England, in Prince Edward Island in Canada. Do you know where Canada is? Let us draw a map. This is North America. This is US, United States, and above United States, I think you know well about United States because of the present novel coronavirus. As you can see in your television from the source of news channels, USA is presently the worst affected country. The worst affected country out of the world. About 95,000 people died out of the dangerous COVID-19 virus. So I would like to again request you to listen to what your government says time to time. US, United States of America, and above United States, Canada is located. Thus, this is Canada, just above United States. And this Canada consists of numerous islands. And from these numerous islands, Prince Edward Island is one of these islands. You can observe, or you can watch, you can see it, the Prince Edward Island. Here there is a place, Clifton, presently New England, and our author Lucy Maud Montgomery was born in Clifton, or presently New England, in Prince Edward Island in Canada. Thus, Lucy Maud Montgomery was born in 1874. 1874. Remember the year. 1874 she was born. But unfortunately, remember, unfortunately, the author lost her mother in 1875. In 1874 she was born, and in 1875, in the next year of her birth, she lost her mother, 1875, and then she was sent to her maternal grandparents, and there she was brought up. She was brought up there by her maternal grandparents. There she felt very lonely. She had relations nearby, but her early childhood was spent alone. In spite of relationships, she spent her early childhood days lonely. Thus, these conditions made her create so many imaginary characters in her mind. Such characters we can find in her numerous novels, stories, and the readers from the worlds are being enriched with her creations. You know, one of her famous writing, Anne of Green Gables. She was best known for a series of novels beginning with Anne of Green Gables. And She was made an officer. She was made an officer of the Order of the British Empire in 1935. Thus was the life of our author. Now let us, you can understand the sufferings, the grief, the sorrow out of her life. Now let us discuss about the title of the text, Our Runaway Kite. Lucy Maud Montgomery wrote Our Runaway Kite. We shall read this text. Thus, this is not painted by an expert, but I only try my best to make you understand the exact position, the exact location of our author. This is North America, this is Canada, this is US, United States. Canada is located just above United States in the North America, and Prince Edward Island is located just in the south east direction, east. Now let us discuss about the title of our text. What is the title? What is the title? The title is Our Runaway Kite. Our Runaway Kite. These three words unitedly make the title. What does the word our refer to? Our refers to, the word our refers to the narrator and the brother of the narrator. The narrator and the brother of the narrator. Run away. What does the word run away mean? I think we might have understood the life of, we might have known about the life of our author, Lucy Maud Montgomery, and I think we can understand the exact location as I have earlier informed you that there are so many islands in Canada, and Prince Edward Island is one of these islands. তাহলে লুসি মন্টগোমারি ক্লিপটন বলে একটা জায়গা যেটা বর্তমানে নিউ ইংল্যান্ড বলে পরিচিত, প্রিন্স এডওয়ার্ড দ্বীপের মধ্যে অবস্থান করছে। কানাডা যে দেশ রয়েছে সেই দেশের প্রিন্স এডওয়ার্ড আইল্যান্ডের ক্লিপটন, বর্তমানে নিউ ইংল্যান্ড নামক স্থানে তিনি কিন্তু জন্মগ্রহণ করেছিলেন। কত সালে? 1874 সালে 30শে নভেম্বর। আর তিনি কিন্তু তার পরের বছরেই তিনি তার মাকে হারান, এবং পরের বছর মাকে হারানোর পরেই তিনি কিন্তু তার মামা বাড়ি চলে যান, এবং মামা বাড়িতে তার দাদু এবং দিদিমা ওনাকে মানুষ করেন। সেখানে তার পরিচিত লোকজন ছিল, কিন্তু তিনি একাকিত্ব মধ্যেই দিন যাপন করতেন এবং খুব কষ্ট হতো। তাও কিন্তু তার এই যে একাকিত্ব, সেই একাকিত্বর সময় কিন্তু তিনি কিন্তু অনেক কাল্পনিক চরিত্র উদ্ভাবন করেছিলেন। সেগুলোই কিন্তু আমরা তার লেখার মধ্যে পাচ্ছি। এরপর আমরা নামকরণ নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। লেট আস ডিসকাস অ্যাবাউট দ্য টাইটেল অফ দ্য টেক্সট আওয়ার রান অ্যাওয়ে কাইট বাই লুসি মন্টগোমারি। Let us discuss our run away kite. These three words, 1, 2 and 3, these three words make the title Our Runaway Kite. And what does the word our refer to? What does the word our refer to? It is a pronoun. It is a plural pronoun, and it refers to the word our refers to these two persons, the narrator and her brother. Our refers to the narrator and her brother. If we subtract run away, then our kite is formed. Our whose kite is this? Whose kite is this? This is a kite of the narrator and her brother, because the narrator and her brother made the kite. The narrator and her brother made the kite to fly. Thus, the kite was theirs. Now, you know well what kite is, because you fly kite in these days. Well, I think let us fly kites in these days when we are alone in this crowded world because of novel coronavirus. And I would also suggest you to cover your mouth when you sneeze. Our kite. And now the most important word is run away. What does the word run away mean? Run away, the word run away does mean sail away, sail away, or escape, or elope. Sail away or escape or elope. Thus, the running away of the kite, the main story. What is the main story? The story is a very interesting story about the narrator and her brother living in an isolated island. What does the word isolated mean? The word isolated means detached or isolated. Detached or separated. The word isolated means detached or separated. Thus, now let us discuss about the title, Our Run Away Kite. Our kite? Whose kite? The narrator and her brother. The narrator and her brother possessed the kite because they made the kite. They made the kite, so the kite was theirs. Now the run away, the word run away. What does the word run away mean? It means sail away or escape or elope, or flee away, or flee away. Thus, the story is about the narrator and her brother living in an isolated island with their father. Thus, the story tells how the narrator and her brother and her father got reunited with their long lost relatives. With their long lost relatives. The story is about the author and her brother living in an isolated island with their father, who through a series of events, through a series of incidents, got reunited with their long lost relatives. Long lost. So long they lost their relatives. and with the help of a kite they got reunited. They got Aunt Esther, the author and her brother got Jimmy and Dick. They did not only get reunited with their Aunt Esther but also Mimi and Dick. Thus they got reunited with their long lost relatives with the help of a kite. And what was the cause for which the kite reached their aunt's hands? It was running away from the big half moon to the main island. It was the running away of the kite from the big half moon to the main island where their aunt lived. There she found the kite on which a letter was patched up, and she read the letter and understood the persons involved in the letter, and thus she contacted with her brother, and thus they got reunited. This is the story. This is the story. Thus, running away of the kite is so important in this story. In this story, running away of the kite, sailing away of the kite, fleeing away of the kite is so important. It's so important, for which a reunion is made successfully. A reunion is made successfully, and thus we can say the title is appropriate and apt and just in all regards. It is a beautiful title, it is an apt title, it is an appropriate title. Now I would like to remember you that prevention is better than cure. So stay at home, wash your hands regularly, keep safe distancing, cover your mouth when you sneeze, and listen to what your governments speak time to time. Listen to the state government, listen to the central government, listen to the WHO. Prevention is better than cure. So we have to prevent the disease so that it cannot spread out, it cannot break out, it cannot spread as fast as it causes to happen all over the world. Thank you very much. Let us stop today. Thank you.